Noelia, it's lovely to have you with us today. Thank you so much for sharing your story with us. Now, can I ask, is going down the implants route, was that something that you'd considered for quite a while before you actually did it?
Yes, I did. I started thinking about it when I was around 17. Obviously,
Okay.
I'm 31 now. I sort of always have had a small breasts on the small side.
Yeah.
But when I was always positive about my body from a teenager. I liked my body even before and after having this done. And I've considered it for a long time, but I didn't think about it seriously until my late 20s.
Okay. Was there a specific moment in your life at that time that really sort of made you think it's now or never type of thing?
Yeah, I was sort of thinking about it on and off on my late 20s, like I said, and the moment that I sort of decided to do it was because I started getting more into fitness and just running, cycling, doing yoga, all of that. My body got a bit more lean, so I felt like my breasts from my 20s, I guess, deflated a little bit.
Okay.
So turning 30, I was like, this is the moment, like I have the power to make this decision by myself.
Yeah.
I'm not being influenced by anything, like I'm old enough to make the decision, I thought anyway. So I basically turning 30 was more like a pivotal moment when it comes to making that decision. I have a few friends who have had it done, and also one of my cousins. So I was quite close to the people that I talked about it for, many years before. And yeah, they basically encouraged me and said, well, they didn't encourage me and said like, do it. They just said, it's a simple thing to do, and they both felt really good with themselves afterwards. So I thought that was quite encouraging.
And obviously you spoke to friends and family that had been through similar procedures, but did you do any other research? Did you contact your GP? Did you look on the internet?
There's a lot on the internet, yeah. There's people sharing. It's lovely to see people sharing their experiences on like YouTube and places like that.
Yeah.
And it's sort of like a good education for you to know what you're getting into a little bit. I did do a lot of research when it comes to, probably more than most people,